Hi, Matthew Hine from FuelActive. We're here today with one of our new customers. We've been invited down here to Chorley in the northwest. The guys have been struggling massively with fuel contamination issues, which I believe is a massive issue for people in arboriculture. Obviously, challenging operating conditions and uptime on equipment is really critical. So what we've been doing here today is we've done the bobcat behind me, so that's got a FuelActive unit in. We've got a couple of Bandit wood chippers being completed in the workshop by one of our engineers, and I've got this unit here, which is just about to go into this Doosan to my left. If you're wondering what FuelActive is, it's very simple. It's a floating fuel pickup. So rather than permanently taking fuel from the bottom of the tank, we have a float here that sits within a stainless steel baffle, and it's designed to follow the level of the fuel. So what that does, that selects the cleanest fuel available in the tank. So sending cleaner fuel to the engine is going to prevent breakdown, so preventing filters from blocking, protecting injectors and high pressure fuel pumps. So it's giving customers increased uptime, but actually it's providing a fuel economy benefit as well. And it's incredibly simple to fit. So this unit here, like I say, is going to go on the Doosan. We've attached the FuelActive to the plate that's come off the bottom of the tank, and it's simply going to be bolted in place, and that'll be done in about 10 minutes time.